Today we are making a paper airplane. So you get a paper, fold it evenly. Don't fold it like this. Fold it like this. Now it should look like this. Now open this. But I want to tell you something important after this, and you might need some scissors. So you have to look like this. Then make 2 triangles at the front. So fold, fold, fold. And now it should look like this. Next, we fold again. And in the other side. Now it should look like this. But I think I made a mistake. So let me fix it, guys. Give me some time. Also, please subscribe. I need 1 million subscribers. Now it should look like this. Then fold the front part to the bottom part. Now it should look like this. Turn to the other side. Now fold. Now it should look like this. Now turn around and fold the front part like this. But now you guys are guessing. Now we are making a jet. You have seen this jet in a lot of videos. So also this is a sugaijet. So easy to make. It's like the easiest plane. Now it should look like this. Don't test it now. It's the scissor part. So do you see the front part over here? So cut it first like a triangle. And now you have to do this. No. You have to cut it like first you have to cut it like a line. Then you don't fold it yet. In each side, you have to cut like a line. Okay, guys? Okay, now it's a step. And this is our final step, guys. You have to cut the triangle like a triangle. And oh, I think I made a mistake. Can you wait? Yeah. Thank you guys. You're my friends. I made the wing more shorter, but you shouldn't make the wing more shorter. Look what it turned into now. The wings. So you have to cut it like a triangle. I was saying, like this. And you have to cut another triangle in the second wing. If the other one is higher, you have to make the other one more smaller, because that's how you not make it. You can see it's wobbly a little, so cut this part a little bit. So I have to look like this. Now I need to chop it. You can see how I'm cutting. Now it's done, guys. Now your favorite airplane's ready. Bye, guys. But I need to tell you the important thing. So my channel went to Little Artist to Lego King. Then I'm changing it to Little King. So bye, guys. Have a good day. Also remember to like and subscribe.